Hey everyone, we've just launched RPA Plus, and it's designed to make automation easier to build, run, and manage. Unlike the old RPA, which mainly turns a fixed set of steps into an automated workflow, RPA Plus covers the entire automation lifecycle, from building and debugging to running and reviewing results. With RPA Plus, you can create workflows visually instead of working with long lists. Debug from any step, skip steps, or adjust things on the fly. Manage variables centrally, save tasks and run them multiple times without reconfiguring. All of this makes complex automation simpler and more reliable. The biggest upgrade is task management. You can save a workflow as a task, run it repeatedly, change which accounts it runs on, and even view results across multiple devices. This is especially useful if you're managing multiple social media accounts. For example, let's say you want to warm up Instagram accounts. You can pick a template from the marketplace, or create your own workflow. Assign the account profiles, save and run the task, and then check the task log to see the status. See, it's running right now. So if you're looking to automate complex, repeated tasks across multiple accounts, RPA Plus might be exactly what you need. Check it out in AdsPower and start working smarter, not harder. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. See you in the next video.